Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Can plus none plus ball. Cannonball. Run. Cannonball run. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Hello and welcome to our show. Everybody in black today, or at least combinations of black and other colors. The lady on my right has won a bundle on our program, ladies and gentlemen. Her name is Bryna Wallach, and she has picked up $9,727 in prize. How you feel today? You're always in such a good mood. You're up. You were commenting after one of our programs a couple of days ago that was your lucky day. Do you still feel lucky?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Good attitude. Your opponent is the same gentleman you faced on yesterday's program, Matt Piken. Welcome back to you. What?
He
got you a strike. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, in our new format on Classic Concentration, you play until you have 2 strikes against you or until you have won a car. And at the moment, Bryna has 1 strike, which means that if she loses this first game, it's goodbye, Bryna. Matt, of course, can afford to lose this one, and he would come back in game number 2. I want you two to look over here. We have a pretty good prize in game 1.
Berkline's contemporary rock-a-loungers with deep pillow seats permits lounging, rocking, or full-length reclining in pleasurable comfort, furnished by Berkline. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Margie and her companion look so comfortable, don't they? Gosh. All right, Matt and Bryna, take a look over here. We'll show you where you can find the recliners for 2 at number 9. We also have a Holiday in Bermuda. Bryna, you lost the last game on our last show, so you get to pick first today.
Always an advantage, right?
You bet.
Okay, number 11.
Green take.
Ooh, and number 19.
Computer, no match. Matt.
I could use a computer. Let's go down to number 21.
Gas barbecue.
And up in the corner, number 1.
Green take. No. Bryna.
Okay, number 12.
Gas barbecue.
And number 21.
Gas barbecue. Match is yours. Prize goes up there and down here. 2 panels swing open. Select again.
Number 8.
Red
The
take.
red take. Those takes. Number 20.
Wild card, so the take is coming your way as soon as we show you where the other one was at number 5. Here you go, insurance for later on. Yes, indeed. Open it up, please. Go again.
Number 18.
Print and display calculator.
I need one of those. Number 6.
Washer and dryer. No match. Matt.
I think I know where that green take is. Number 11. And number 1.
There you go. Each of our contestants has made a match. She has a gas barbecue.
It'd be too dangerous with me in a match and gas right now, so...
Well, stay away from
Hold off right now.
things that catch fire.
Yeah.
All righty. Open up these 2 doors for Matt. Matt, select again.
Number 3.
Encyclopedia set.
Learn a lot that way. Number 25 for the match.
Bermuda. No match. Bryna?
God, there's so many prizes floating around. Number 22.
There's one. A microwave.
I need that. Number 14.
Diamond necklace.
Jewelry.
Yeah, you love jewelry, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Matt?
Number 15, please.
Recliners.
And number 9 for the match.
Oh,
Yes. I assume you don't want that gas barbecue.
Not just yet.
All right.
Not just
2 doors opening up. Pick again.
Number 14, please. Oh.
Diamond necklace.
Just see that. Number 4 for the match.
No, but it's going to work out for you. The wild card helps you.
I know the match, yeah.
When you knew it, you couldn't make it. but he lucked out, and he came up with a match. The other diamond necklace is at number 17. That'll give him 3 more panels swinging open. Select again.
Number 22, please. Oh.
Microwave.
And number 23.
Bermuda. No. Bryna may thank you in about 10 seconds from now.
Number 25. And number 23.
That's okay.
Now you can thank him.
Can I take something now, or is it later?
Of course you can.
Give me that diamond necklace.
You want the diamond necklace right now?
Yeah.
All right. Put the necklace on her side. As Matt points out, I still have the green tape. But for the moment, Bryna gets to enjoy herself as these panels swing open.
A slip of the tongue.
Is it a slip of the tongue? Yes, it is. A slip of the tongue for Bryna. She's got the holiday and she's got the jewelry, too. Come on, let's go. Well done, my dear.
Okay, the A's was hiding, but I could figure it out with the 1 heart. So it's A, and then plus the lip. So A slip, and then the puff. I was thinking it was Stan or Hardy or Laurel and Hardy, but it's a slip puff, and then the is a freebie, and then the tongue of the shoe, a slip of the tongue.
Slip of the tongue. Perfect work on your part. And Matt gets his first strike. You have given him his first strike. You're even, yes indeed. And what that means, the tiebreaker game, in effect, will take place in just a little while. Game number 2. We'll see you then, Matt.
Gotcha.
And right now, Bryna, want to hear about your trip and your other prizes and the jewelry?
Yes.
Well, go for it, Gene.
A gas barbecue, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a gas barbecue or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a diamond necklace, part of K Jewelers' classic collection. This lovely 14-karat gold 5-diamond necklace may add a sparkling touch to any outfit furnished by K Jewelers. And Bermuda! We'll fly you on a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend the week at the Elbow Beach Hotel. Enjoy the sparkling aquamarine ocean and endless pink sand beach, superb dining, dancing, and entertainment furnished by the Elbow Beach Hotel. And Bryna, these prizes are worth another big number for you. $5,185.
There you go. Big win. Another opportunity to win a car, but this time with 45 seconds on the clock. When we come back. Did pay attention to Marjorie's message, because this lady on my right, Bryna, memorized the number, made the call, passed our test, and she's here today.
That's right.
And you could win one of these cars. Check them out. On the bottom row, we have the Hyundai Excel, followed by the Daihatsu Charade, the Nissan Sentra, the Honda Civic, the Pontiac Le Mans, the Ford Festiva, the Mitsubishi Prius, and finally, right at the top, the Volkswagen Fox. And I think you told me yesterday your mom wants the Fox?
The Fox and the Honda both are 2 cars she was looking at to buy. So.
You're only allowed to win one. You can't give her 2.
I know. So I got a choice here. So
yes, you do. Yes, you do. But don't try to win any one car in particular.
No way. I'm just going for it.
Okay. Here are the 15 numbered squares. 45 seconds on the clock for you, Bryna. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No. Yes.
7, 9.
No.
3, 11.
No.
9, 11.
Right.
10, 12.
Nope.
2, 8.
No.
13, 8.
Yes.
14, 10.
Yes.
7, 1.
No.
3, 12.
Yes.
15, 5.
No.
2, 15.
Yes.
1, 5.
Yes.
Crazy.
Yes. Jane, tell her.
Okay, Alex. Bryna, you've just won this Mitsubishi Prius 3-door hatchback. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and rack and pinion steering. Furnished by Mitsubishi, a prize worth over $6,000.
Yeah, your husband is, or your boyfriend is reading out there and he's saying 21 big ones? Yes, $21,339. That's what Bryna has won. Now, Mom, come over here. I want you to talk into my microphone and you tell me if you're going to be happy. That isn't the car you wanted, I know.
Oh, okay.
But will you be satisfied with that Mitsubishi Princess?
I'll love it.
You'll love it. She'll love it. Well, Bryna, congratulations to you. You are delighted. Good champion. We'll introduce a new player right after this commercial break. Happy lady leaves us, and we hope a happy lady joins us. Darlene Baker is our challenger. Hello, Darlene. Tell me a little bit about yourself, and then we'll get into the game.
Okay, I grew up in Mobile, Alabama, and
You grew up in Mobile, Alabama?
did.
Do you know Marjorie is from that part of the country?
I did. What city?
Birmingham.
Birmingham. Well, that's close. Not too far.
It's not all that close. It's up north, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
But
up
Mobile
there.
is a much prettier place.
Yes.
Yes.
On the ocean. Well,
Yeah.
on the Gulf, not the
Sure.
ocean.
Now, what do you do?
I am a financial consultant for litigation attorneys.
Oh, really? Does that mean you advise the clients as to whether or not they should sue?
Oh, I really help them prepare their damage calculations.
I see. We'll talk after the program. Okay. Right now, we will show you one of the prizes you're playing for in this game.
Kay Jewelers' graceful diamond bracelet sparkles with 1 carat of brilliant diamonds, a classic fashion statement for any woman's wardrobe, furnished by Kay Jewelers. Alex.
Did you get that, Gene? That's a tennis bracelet. And look at the size of that racket that Marjorie has. That's a monster racket. Boy, could she lob with that. Matt and Darlene, take a look on our board. We'll show you where you can find the diamond bracelet at number 24. A holiday in Santa Fe, New Mexico, one of the beautiful spots in this country. And $700 in the cash pot, Darlene, and it's all just waiting for you. You pick first, and there is just the one wild card in this game.
Okay, I am going for that trip to Santa Fe under my husband's birthday, number 1.
Red tape.
Well, that will provide good insurance. Let's see if we can match that under number 7.
Nope, Santa Fe, New Mexico. You got it one selection too late. Matt.
Number 5.
Green take.
Number 21.
Cash pot, no match. Darlene, back to you.
Okay, I'd like to see what's under my brother's birthday, number 2.
Hope you have a big family. Grandfather
Yes.
clock.
I would love that grandfather clock. Let's try to match that in the middle of the board under number 13.
No car stereo and speakers. Matt.
Number 25.
Cash pot.
And number 21 for the match.
There we go. We're looking at a possible $700 there, I believe.
Lose every cent.
Really?
That's $700.
But you're gainfully employed. You're a sports
yes,
reporter.
but that doesn't mean I can't use it, though.
I see. I understand. All right. Let's open it up for him. Pick again.
Number 3.
Assorted parlor games.
Number 23.
Wild card, so there's a match. The other assorted parlor games are on the board at number 12. 3 pieces kind of in that same general area. Let's see what they reveal. Middle left of the puzzle. Obviously not enough.
No clue.
All right, go again.
Number 15.
Custom drapes.
Let's go to number 10, right above it.
Performance tires, no match. Darlene.
Well, I'd really like to have those custom drapes. Let's try to match that under number 22.
No, there's the car stereo and speakers.
Oh, dear, and we saw that. Oh, is that under number 10?
No.
Oh.
Performance tires. Matt.
Number 13. And number 22 for the match.
You are right. Darlene's kind of helping you out. She finds them first, and then you come in behind and clean up.
I can match them.
Well, that's all right. Whatever works for you, Matt.
Yeah.
Take a look. Pick again.
Number 6.
Grandfather clock.
Was that under number 2?
Grandfather clock. Darlene's nodding her head in agreement. She knew it was there. But you made the match, Matt.
Yeah.
Take a look. Pick again.
We need to uncover some more on that right side. Let's go to number 9.
Yeah, we've been kind of ignoring that. Wide-angle binoculars, our first look, I believe, at that prize.
We haven't seen number 19. Let's go there.
Red take. Darlene, here's a
Great.
chance.
Thank you very much. I think we saw that red take under number 1.
Correct.
And the match is under number 19.
Correct. Now, he has a bundle of stuff on his side already, Darlene. The grandfather clock, in case you haven't been watching our program lately, is a beautiful prize. He's got the cash pot, $700. Parlor games, car stereo speakers.
I think I'm going to hold on to it for just a minute.
Okay. She is saving it. 2 panels opening up. Try it again.
Okay, I would like to see what's under number 16, please.
Telephone and answering machine
Oh,
unit.
and we haven't seen that. Let's look right above there under number 11 for the match.
Wide-angle binoculars. No match. Matt.
I think we saw those wide-angle binoculars under number 9
Yes.
and number 11 for the
That's
match.
a match. 5 prizes for you, Matt. You also have 1 strike against you, as you know, so you've got to win this game.
This is critical.
Right. Open it up.
Wine, Women, and Song.
Is it Wine, Women, and Song? Staying alive with Matt Piper. Way to go.
Thanks.
Let's go to the board. Do it.
Well, I knew this was a Y by itself with the quotes and the N. And then I knew on the bottom line it was song, and I couldn't figure anything else, but then the W, so I just took a guess, and these are men over here. So women, wine, women, and song. And that's the puzzle.
Boy, it sure sounds simple when they explain it that way. It's a little more difficult when you're working your way through the game. Darlene, that's just 1 strike against you, so you go relax for a while, and you'll get to play again on Classic Concentration. We'll see you.
Good luck.
You have all the prizes in your column, so it's a big win for you.
Thanks.
Gene, tell him.
A cash pot worth $700.
All right.
Assorted parlor games, wide-angle binoculars, and a car stereo and speakers. Technic's car stereo system with dual-color display. Features electronic tuning with preset scan, automatic, dynamic, range controller, and direct-angle 3-way speakers. Furnished by Technics, and a grandfather clock. This Wurlitzer grandfather clock is destined to become a family heirloom. The Montrose in vintage cherry. Features beveled glass and rotating moon dial. Gracefully elegant. Furnished by Wurlitzer. And Matt, this is a prize package that totals $3,519.
That'll be a big win.
Yeah.
Thank you, Gene. He's going to play for a car again after this break. Matt's trying to get himself psyched up for this. He's ready. You know it. 15 numbered squares, Matt. You going to do it this time?
I'm going to do my darn best.
Well, I know you're going to do your darn best, but I want to know if you're going to win the car, because if you're not, I might as well go into the next commercial break.
No, right now, I'll win it.
Okay. Show him the clock. 40 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
3, 5,
No.
1, 6,
Yes.
7, 9,
No.
5, 9,
Right.
10, 3,
No.
4, 10,
Right.
13, 3,
Right.
14, 11,
No.
15, 12,
Yes.
8, 7,
No.
2, 11,
No.
2, 8,
Oh, no.
14, 7.
No.
Oh, shit.
I
I panicked.
Gosh, I thought the way you started making those matches, I felt for sure that you were going to win the car.
I thought so too.
That's all right. Hey, you've got $4,518, and you're going to play again.
Yeah.
What could be better?
Nothing. Except winning a car.
Except winning a car, and he may do that at some point. Right now, we're going to pause. We'll hear about another prize, a good one.
Some of today's participants may receive the VitaVac. It's designed to remove pollen, ragweed, dust, and other allergens from your home while you vacuum. You'll love the way it cleans the air while it cleans your home. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
I thought it was kind of amazing that we welcomed a guest, contestant on our show from your part of the country,
That's
Alabama.
right. Alabama.
And she's going to face
Yeehaw.
Matt on our next program as well. So please join us then, won't you? So long, everyone.
Bye-bye.
This is G. speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.